Hello Taurians, welcome to my page and thanks for joining me here. So I'll be pulling, let's see, this is your current energy checkup and check-in, and we'll see what's the overall energy for Taurians here, and then we'll clarify what that is. So let's see what is the overall energy for Taurians. Nine of Swords. Okay. So what are you overthinking, Taurians? What are you overthinking? You are definitely stressing out, overthinking something, you're not able to sleep, you have a lot of anxiety. Definitely there is something which is really bothering you. Okay, what that is. Okay, let's clarify. Why is this Nine of Swords here for my Taurians? Why is this Nine of Swords here for my Taurians? So we have the Ten of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, the Tower, okay, Three of Cups, the Eight of Cups, the Devil, the Moon, the Devil, the Moon, and the Knight of Cups. Okay. So Taurians, what I feel here is that something has happened unexpectedly. There has been some unexpected shift or an unexpected uh, event in your life, or maybe something, some change of a belief system. Something has happened unexpectedly, and that is why you are feeling really stressed out. Okay. You feel cheated and backstabbed by someone, and that is what is upsetting you, and that is what is depressing you. Okay, you are not expecting this from this person. If that's what I feel over here, you were not thinking that this is going to happen, or this person is going to behave like this or do this to me. It's something like that. But what you need to do is you really need to look for the key to your happiness. Okay, you cannot keep on brooding in this energy for a long time. Okay, whatever has happened over here in this situation with the Tower being there, this thing must have definitely shifted your perspective also, and must have given you some sort of a lesson. Okay, you just need to come look at the key of your happiness. You need to unlock the key to your happiness. What best can be done in this situation? What best you can do to come out of it? Because whatever has happened. Maybe you were ignoring some red flags. Maybe your subconscious mind or your intuition told you that this can happen to me, perhaps you kept on ignoring those internal nudges or your inner voices. Okay, and it unexpectedly came up on your face, or it blew up on your face. Okay, but what I feel is you really need to be in touch with your family and friends. You really need to see whom you can call, whom you can get back to with the Three of Cups, who can help you to come out of this negativity and this overthinking and this depression, whatever is making you unhappy. You really need to reconcile with people. You really need to get back to people who really love you at this point in time. Okay, and these kith and kin of yours will help you to release this baggage. You will be able to do that with the help of your family and friends, with the help of your close ones. Okay, it won't be easy for you to come out of it. You will have to take the help of your family and friends out here, and with the Eight of Cups you will be able to liberate yourself from this. You will be able to leave that baggage behind. Okay, with the Devil and the Moon, with the Knight of Cups, what I feel here is, since you are leaving whatever it is, you are leaving this situation behind or this person behind, you are ending it. Definitely it's coming to an end, whatever it is. But what I feel is, and since you are trying to come out of this anxiety, do not get addicted to anything. Do not try to take certain things like which are addictive, which are not good for you. Don't fall into any such pattern to come out of this. Like, don't go into too much of alcoholism or something like that. That's what I'm trying to say. Or anything which is not good for you in the long run. Okay, do not do anything like that. Since you are sort of heartbroken at this point in time, do not indulge in anything negative. Okay, because there may be a rebound phenomena that you want to do this and you want to do that, and there is a reaction to it. And since you really don't know what's coming next, with the Moon being there, there is definitely something which is hidden from you out here. You really don't know which path to follow, what to do, and maybe at this point in time there are many negative, there can be negative people, there can be negative habits which may sort of attract you at this point in time, but you need to be a little vigilant over here. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Do not fall into anything just because you don't know the path ahead, because you have the Knight of Cups here. You are going to meet somebody here. You are going to meet somebody over here. Okay, a new person is coming in, that's what I feel. A new person, somebody is here waiting for you, and this is it's really something. This person is somebody who is like your Prince Charming. Somebody is waiting for you at the shore, at the other shore over here. Okay, somebody is waiting for you over there. Okay, so you really don't need to go into that sort of depression and those feelings. Do not get back to where you have come from. It can be as simple as that with the devil also. You'll be really working hard to come out of this negativity and depression and this overthinking. So don't fall into that trap again. It can be as simple as that. Or don't have a reaction or a rebound phenomena to it. Okay, this has happened to me, now I'll do this. It can go anyway, but you get my point, what I'm trying to say, because you really have somebody waiting for you there. Taurians. So whatever it is, just breathe in and let it go. Just take the lessons, whatever are there with this situation, because it definitely must have changed your perspective in some way, shape or form, and must have definitely given you a life lesson. So just learn it and move ahead. So that's all I have for you, Taurians. Bye. Thank you.